Closest is right here by the front gate.
Okay. It's not very far.
How was it? Horrible. Oh. It's not good if you're afraid of heights.
Yeah.
A little too high?
I felt like my legs wouldn't even work like halfway up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we were gonna do a taller ride, but then we remembered Great stuff. What? I also have its own playing. Go ahead? Yes. You can circle. Or we could see if there's double seatbelt.
What about you, row 5?
Oh, yeah.
That's fine. We can do whatever they need to do in membership. We just need someone to ride lines and check lanyards because it looks like we're getting we're on the last group of live.
You guys can go ahead and shoot me all the way down.
Excuse me, sorry.
Oh, okay. Okay, hold down the
Shimmy, shimmy.
Alright guys, good morning. Can everyone hear me?
Yep.
Awesome. So thank you guys for joining us on this tour today. We hope you guys are really excited. Just a couple of rules before we head up there. We will be walking up 105 feet in the air. The stairs are not solid, so you will be able to see straight through. If at any time the heights get to you guys, you just don't feel comfortable, please let us know so that way we can get you guys down. I don't want to put you in a situation that you're uncomfortable with, okay? Second of all, please continue to keep moving on the lift. If you do want to take a picture, please stop. Don't try to record and walk. Don't take a picture and walk. Please just stop. Take your safety into consideration. If you do stop, tell the person behind you, hey, I'm going to stop. That way we're not tripping over each other, no one's falling, and everyone's as safe as possible, okay? So stay still while we're taking pictures. As we're walking, please keep one point of contact with the handrail at all times. If you are stopping and you're totally stationary, that's when you guys can use two hands to take a picture. We will be at the very top, so at that point, feel free to take awesome pictures. The view is great. Just so you guys know, it is a little windy up there, so I don't advise you guys wearing hats in case they do blow off. If you have any bulky bags or souvenir cups, I do also recommend that you guys leave them here just to make sure that you're not carrying any unnecessary weights. You guys are the only ones up here, so there's no issue.
Yep.
If at any time you have questions about the ride, the park, or anything in general, please do not hesitate to ask, okay? We'll be splitting you guys up into two groups. 10 will be on the left side, and 10 will be on the right side. Sound good? And just remember, please go at your own pace. You don't have to be super fast, but try not to be a turtle either, okay? Awesome. We'll go ahead and let you guys in. 11 and 11.
Uh-oh. No problem.
Excuse me, guys. Articles, again, it's pretty busy up there.
Okay, this one's fully attached.
All right, group, we're gonna cross in a train, and y'all will be following me.
Okay.
warning on the way up there. We want to make sure you can focus on where you're stepping.
Say, oh wait, keep it on the rig. Yeah.
Am I scared of heights? I'm from Top Village, right? Yes, I'm scared of heights, man.
Well, that's because you're usually strapped in on those things. Legs are burning.
Alright guys, make sure you're not recording while we're walking, okay? Okay.
You want to scoot all the way down that way. Be knocked out, open the head on your frame. It's fine.
They just
It was fun when I ran to it.
they're so small. Elevation
Oh, I'll wake you up in the morning.
Great view of Neiman Marcus.
Yes, it is. And Dillard's, I think. I can see my car from here.
Really fast. That's actually super good. It actually looks really nice. Too bad it probably hurts. Oh yeah. Hard agree. Colton. Oh my gosh, is that giant loop Superman?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jeez. It's like the third or fourth the tallest in the world, I think. Jeez.
Yeah, it's one of the biggest loops out there.
That's kind of nuts.
And I love how it plays off the quarry walls also.
Right. Oh my gosh, is that Wonder Woman right there?
Yeah.
The yellow
There's Poltergeist.
Yeah.
And then back here, he's
Screens.
painted no money and back behind the Ferris wheel. And that mine train Roadrunner is really good also. It's actually a pretty intense mine train next to Iron Rattler.
Heyo, Hawk Jam. I'm a big fan of Iron Rattler. Colton Iron Rattler, can you get received in the park?
That first drop's good. What, Boomerang?
Boomerang.
Well, if you hadn't done it, you need to at least get the credit.
I've not done it because I've heard that it hurts.
It's like it's maybe a little bit better than most boomerangs.
No, I've not ridden. I've only ridden Poltergeist, Iron Rattler, and like Brother.
It isn't that bad.
I've ridden Joker at Over Texas though, so I've basically ridden that.
So it's pretty much like
Yeah, pretty much ridden
this one might flip a little bit more, but I'm not sure. Right? It is the original prototype, I guess.
How is Superman?
Superman's quite good actually.
The loop is crazy. The loop looks pretty terrifying to be upside down like that. It looks. It's pretty big. Is it scary? Does it take a while to get over it?
Oh, is that the general public below us?
Watch it. It's gonna go through it just like. It's gonna do that right there. Go directly into the truck.
Is that the GP coming in?
Wait, you said it has like 6 loops? I only see 1. No, it has 6 inversions, not loops. Jeez. No, that's a long time hanging. Colton, that's a long time hanging. Where it's just like. Yeah, Superman goes. It's all the way over there. See that big roll right next to Wonder Woman, the Cobra roll right next to
Oh yes. Definitely ain't gonna go normal yet.
that thing right there after the big. No, the one right next to Wonder Woman. That kind of heart-shaped thing. Yeah. That's the Cobra roll. Looks a little bit slow. Is that where they warm it up? Like, yeah, that's it. Once it warms up, it gets a little bit faster. Oh, and then you roll back. And what's that Superman? You need to keep your head forward so it doesn't slam against the restraints. Really? Yeah. You have to keep your head forward like these. What do you do for boomerang? Less whiplash. What's the best place? You gotta keep your head forward. You gotta sit in the middle if you don't want to get too much whiplash. Okay. We're keeping our head forward and sitting in the middle. I don't want whiplash. I do not want whiplash. What time is it? You can run with it. That's my top goal. To not be a whiplash when we ride boomerang. You can ride boomerang during the day. I want to get first ride there. How bad do you think the lines are going to be today? I don't know. I want to get first. I mean, we won't have time to ride boomerang though. We'll have time to ride everything, especially if the long, especially if the. Colton, but boomerang's already open, so we should have time to ride it open right now, right? Depends on the line is better. There's a lot of people going there right now. I want to ride it, but I don't want to whiplash. So it's like a weird spot that I'm in. I wonder what will get you. Whiplash, but not the same way. It will? Not whiplash. I mean, unless you sit very there. Unless you do a really fast ride and it's like all. So it'd be like very end of the day. Yeah. It's fun.
You got your stuff right here.
Thank you.
Yes.
Any day, dear. Any day.
That was really cool.
Hey, Don.
Hey.
Yeah, you're recording.
That's okay. Oh, and it records on the back side also.
Well, sorry.
No problem.
I'm trying to like not block